Today we are diving into a quick but powerful editing trick, that is how to add a vignette effect in CapCut on your PC. Start by adding your video, import it. Once you have imported it, drag it to your timeline like this. Now in order to add the vignette effect, click on your video clip and go to adjustment, click on it. Here scroll down and you'll see vignette right here. Now drag this line where you want to start your vignette effect like this and click on this diamond step right here and your frame will be added. If you slide it in the left, it will be white, and if you slide it in the right, it will be darker. Let me keep it a bit darker like this. Now hit the play to preview your edit. Let's see it. Let's play it. And that's it. A vignette effect can totally transfer your footage in seconds. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you for watching.